your unit test second will be held in the month of November, and the syllabus for it is number 1, The Merchant of Venice. You will have Act 2, scene number 4, 5, 6 and 7. One poem, Television. Unit test 2 in the month of November. Children, your next term examinations, that is second term examinations, will be held in the month of February, and the syllabus for the 3 books is Merchant of Venice, The Merchant of Venice. You will have Act 2, Scene 8 and 9. Act 3, Scene 1. In the poems, you have The Cold Within, and second poem is After Blenheim. Children, for the stories, you have 2 this time, An Angel in Disguise, and the second story is A Horse and 2 Goats. Children, please note that the unit test syllabus will also be included in the term examinations, which will be held in February. So you have to do the unit test syllabus also for the term examinations in the month of February. So 9th class, let's start with Act 2, Scene 4. Before reading this scene, you should remember what happened in Scene 3. Okay, so Lancelot has left Sherlock's service, and here Sherlock's daughter Jessica was introduced, and her romance with Lorenzo was brought to light. Jessica gave him a letter to be delivered to her lover Lorenzo. So now in Scene 4, we saw Lorenzo and his friends. They are preparing for the masquerade for Bassanio's dinner party. They discuss a few things that have been neglected, like hiring of young boys to act as a torch bearer. But just then, Lancelot, which was sent by Jessica, enters and hands over Jessica's letter to Lorenzo. Now Lorenzo requests Lancelot to return to Jessica and tell her that he would not fail her. He informs his friends that he has found a torch bearer for the evening masque. Okay, so now let's see the textbook at page number 76. This scene takes place at a street in Venice. And who are the characters present? The characters are Gratiano, Lorenzo, Celerino and Selenio. Lorenzo says, he begins the talk by saying, "Nay, we will slink away in supper time." Nay, no. What will we do? We will slip away at supper time. And where will we go? We will go at my lodging, at my house, to disguise ourselves. Because they have to go for the masquerade. So they will disguise themselves. They will hide their true identity by either wearing the mask or by painting their faces. And they will all return in 1 hour. Come back within 1 hour. Gratiano says, okay for this, but we have not made good preparations. At this, Celerino says, we have not spoke us yet of torch bearers. So what is left in the preparation? He said, we have not yet spoken about the torch bearers. Now torch bearers are the people, or were the people in those times, who would lead the masquerade. Okay. So Selenio at this says, it is vile, unless it may be quaintly ordered, and better in my mind not undertook. He said it is a useless thing, unless it is done properly. And according to me, and better in my mind, according to me, not undertook. It would be better not to do it. So Lorenzo, they say it's now but 4 o'clock. He's also apprehensive. So he says it is now already 4 o'clock. We have 2 hours to furnish us, and we have only 2 hours to furnish us to prepare ourselves for the masquerade. At this moment, who enters? Enter Lancelot with a letter. At this, Lancelot replies, and it shall please you to break up this, it shall seem to signify. He says, if you break up this means this is the letter. If you open this letter, break up, open this letter, it shall seem to signify, you will know what it is. So Lorenzo says, I know the hand in faith. It is a fair hand, and whiter than the paper it writ on is the fair hand that writ. So Lorenzo, by the handwriting, knows who has sent this letter, who has written this letter. Okay. So Lorenzo says, I know the hand. I recognize the handwriting. And in faith, indeed, it is a fair hand. It was written by fair hand, and whiter than the paper it writ on. And fair hand, which fair hand? Which is whiter than the paper on which this letter is written. So that means Lorenzo recognizes Jessica's handwriting and he knows the letter is from Jessica. So Graciano says, love news and faith. They mocks at him, makes fun, friendly fun. So he says, love news in faith, a love letter indeed. See, with the sign of exclamation, they are teasing him. Lancelot says, by your leave, sir. So Lancelot wishes to leave. May I leave, sir? He asks Lorenzo. So Lorenzo says, whither goest thou? Where are you going? Lancelot, marry, sir, to bid my old master the Jew to sup tonight with my new master the Christian. So he has two works at hand now. Lancelot says, marry, sir. Mary is actually swearing by the name of Blessed Mary. Okay, so Mary word here signifies Mary. So he's swearing by the name of Mary and saying, sir, addressing Lorenzo as sir, he says, to bid my old master the Jew. To bid adieu or to say bye to my old master Jew. And who is the Jew here? Shylock. To sup tonight with my new master the Christian. And to invite him, to invite my previous master the Jew. Jew is Shylock. To have supper tonight with my new master. Who is the new master? The Christian Bassanio. So Lorenzo says, hold here, take this. So Lorenzo is giving the money and says, wait a while, take this money and tell gentle Jessica I will not fail her. So something is written in the letter, something they have planned. So he said, I will not fail Jessica. Go and tell Jessica. Speak it privately, but give this message secretly. And go, gentlemen, and exit Lancelot. So Lancelot goes out. Will you prepare you for this mask tonight? Gentlemen, will you prepare yourselves for this mask tonight? He questions all of them, all of his friends. I am provided of a torch bearer. And what news is he giving to his friends? That he has arranged for a torch bearer. Now, how has he arranged for a torch bearer? That means with Jessica, he has got a hint with the letter of Jessica that maybe Jessica is going to be the torch bearer for the masquerade. Okay. So children, with this way I end this video. We'll continue in the next video. And do revise the lines that we have done so far.